Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. From today onwards, we will start our English literature. Um, and for our today's session, we are taking a very beautiful poem named Unfolding Bud. It is written by Naoshi Koriyama. Before starting up with the poem, I will let you know more about Naoshi Koriyama, who he was and where he studied. Naoshi Koriyama is a Japanese poet who studied English literature in the United States and returned to teach in Japan. Here they are telling us that he was a Japanese poet and he studied English literature in United States and returned to teach in Japan. He began to write poems while he was away from home and went on to publish 9 collections in English. They are telling us that he used to write poems while he was away from home, and he began to publish his collections in English besides 3 translated from Japanese. Here they are also letting us know that he not only wrote originally in his own manner, but he also translated some Japanese poem into English and published them. He has recently published a collection entirely in Japanese. The poem compares the flowering of a water lily to the process of understanding a poem. It is a simple poem but rich in meaning. Here they are letting us know about this beautiful poem, Unfolding Bud, that here the poet is comparing the poem with the understanding of poem with the blooming of a water lily bud.